How to change app icons on Android. If you wish to change the app icons on Android, you will need to find out if your launcher offers this possibility. If not, you will need to change your launcher. In this video, I will show you how to install a new launcher perfect for this. Also, this launcher is one of the best launcher you can use. So first, let's open Play Store. On the search above, write Nova Launcher. How you can see, this app has over 50 millions of installs and a very good rating. Tap on the button Install. Wait until the install process is finished. Now let's tap on Open. You can now start fresh or use the default, or choose another layout depending on what you want. I suggest using Start Fresh or use default settings. Tap on Next. Choose your theme and then tap Next. You can allow location access. I will not do this, so I will tap No Thanks. Choose your drawer style and apply. Now we have installed Nova Launcher. But how can you change the icon for an app? Just keep your finger over the app you wish to change the icon until you get this menu. Here, select Edit. Tap on the icon. Select the app you want to use the picture or icon. I will select the gallery as I want to put an image on the contacts. So let me select Gallery Apps and I will select Drive. Select the picture you want to add as an icon. You can crop it or edit it. After you have done that, tap Done. Tap again Done. Now you see that the icon from My Contacts app has been changed. This is an easy way to change all icons on all apps on any Android device. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.